Good morning, students. This is Amudan from CT department. I'm going to take big data analytics techniques. What are the big data analytics techniques? So, last class we have seen big data analytics. What is the concept? So, now I'm going to take big data analytics techniques. What is the big data analytic techniques? The big data analytics techniques plays a crucial role in extracting value insights from large data sets. So the technique is nothing but what is the basic technique is it's extracting the data from the valuable insights from large data sets, enabling informed decision making across various sectors. So various sectors means that the data being big data, there is a huge data sets, the variety of data sets has dumped in one places. We have to extract our specific data and enabling informed decision making across various sectors. These techniques utilize advanced tools and methodologies to analyze complex informations. So, providing organization with the competitive advantages and improving operational efficiency. So, big data is related with data mining. Mining is discover. Mining is nothing but it is a discovery, discovering a new technique. So, the four bases is there. One is classifications. The classification is nothing but it involves sorting data in predefined categories and aiding decision making in finance and healthcare. The next one is clustering. What does it mean by clustering? The cluster is groups. Groups similar data points into clusters, improving targeted marketing strategies. Next, third one is association rule learning. Uncovers relationships between variables to enhance cross-seller opportunities. Anomaly detections identifies unexpected patterns crucial for fraud detection and system monitoring. So anomaly detection is so vulnerable data or some phishing is then mean identify that phishing or unexpected patterns crucial for fraud detections and system monitoring. The statistical analysis techniques. So there is a four types of analysis is there. One is descriptive. This founded technique summarize data features including mean, median, variance and standard deviations. And inferential statistics, the inferential statistics allowed predictions. Otherwise we have called it as a prediction statistics. And generalization about the population based on sample data. We have take the existing data and analyze for the current scenario. That is a prediction. And the regression analysis, this statistical method examines relationship between the variables to forecast customs and identify impactful factors. The last one is time series analysis, analyzing the data points over time for trend identification, essential in financial forecasting and inventory management. The next one is the type of machine language. The machine language, how the machine language used in data, big data or data mining. The supervised learning, this approach involves training modules and labeled data sets. And supervised learning, it's nothing but identify patterns in unlabeled data, labeled data and unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, it trains algorithm through trial and error to maximize rewards. Deep learning, it's one of the subtopic of the machine learning. Deep learning, the leverages neural networks. Deep learning excel in complex data environments. Deep learning is used for complex data environments. In big data, if you want to fetch or extract the complex data means you have to use the deep learning. What is the big data technology? Hadoop, Spark, NoSQL database, data warehousing. These are the main data technologies. Hadoop means an open source framework for distributed storage. Spark, a fast cluster computer system for memory processing. NoSQL database means database like MongoDB for unstructured data. There is a unstructured data has to be stored in the big data. That NoSQL database is playing a vital role to extracting the unstructured data structure. Data warehousing, collecting and managing the data for efficient analysis. Next, data visualizations, importance of visualizations. The data visualization takes complex data in accessible graphs and make it easier to use. The common tools like Tableau, Power BI, and D3JS facilitate the creation of dynamic data visualization. Dashboard development is there, and best practices. Effective visualization incorporates simplicity and clarity and appropriate use of color and design principles. The challenges is quality issues, integration, diverse data, and security, privacy, and skill gap is. These points are already discussed in previous class. The quality issues and integration, diverse data, and data security and privacy and skill gap. Future trend, AI generations, real-time analysis, cloud computing, and augmented analysis. So these are the tool which is used to extracting the data in big data analytics. In complex data, we have used deep learning, and data tools is Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL database, data warehousing. Next class we will see another data. Thank you very much.